Wouldn't it be great if you and your ABB contract managers could get a shared and current view of your facility? One that helps you plan and predict maintenance work together, identify when it is time for service, or what spare parts are available. With myABB, you can do exactly that. Wouldn't it be great if you had a single portal where you could view and manage your ABB equipment installed base? Evaluate your service contracts and their deliverables. Assess your spare parts strategy and view historical parts purchases. A portal where you could plan and predict maintenance work together. Identify when it is time for service or spare parts replenishment. With myABB, you can do exactly that. myABB gives you a single point of access for all ABB service information. It provides clear, actionable intelligence and comprehensive tools to seamlessly manage products and services to help drive additional value. myABB helps you get more accomplished no matter where you work.
My team relies on us to develop long-term automation plans and annual budgets. But to do this effectively, I need complete and thorough automation and asset information. myABB is my key to better planning. With it, I have all the details at my fingertips, including product lifecycle, past services performed, warranty information, recommended services, and more.
When it comes to spare parts, the last thing I need is surprises. The My Spare Parts application enables me to analyze our stockroom's spare parts inventory. This ensures that when needed, I have spare parts on hand to help me ensure production availability, protect against shortages, and optimize our spare part inventory and costs.
I submitted a support case last week, and I'm wondering if there is a resolution to my problem. With myABB, I can quickly find the status of my current case, submit a new one, or research old cases from myself and my colleagues.
I used to have a tough time finding the documents I need to do my job. They were scattered all over our site in control rooms and offices. Now, with ABB Library, everything is in one place, and I have a web tool to find anything I need with just a few swipes. I can quickly and easily search and view all product technical documentation, new product presentations, and other ABB information.
With myABB, your maintenance and support staff get actionable information across your entire enterprise. myABB is your 24/7, 365 single point of access for all ABB service information. The portal helps your team accomplish their tasks more efficiently. Once you get started with the portal, the Service Agreements application notifies you of upcoming service events and gives you a clear overview of your contract entitlements and commercial information. Together, we work to ensure that your facility achieves optimal performance. As a service customer, you have myABB available to you online anywhere and anytime. Get in touch with your ABB contact and get your myABB user account today.